nato nel 1950.
Everything started in 1950 when our father began to sell construction machinery.
Poi a un certo punto,
Then, in 1975, for the next year, he asked himself, why don't I start building something that can bring my heritage in the market?
heritage sul mercato.
Nessuno aveva una macchina da
Nobody had a 1.5 cubic meter machine that could take you around easily and didn't require a high investment. Well, they found it in our first 180-degree slewing machine, dated 1977. We almost couldn't believe it, and today we have our Delta.
Oggi abbiamo la Delta. Oggi abbiamo la Delta.
In 1977, on the same year of the concrete mixer, we close our first important agreement with Bobcat, and so we become Bobcat dealer. Therefore, there has always been an overlap of these two activities, who walked parallel ways since the beginning. We were able to distribute to 250-300 Bobcat machines per year until Bobcat was absorbed into Doosan, and we became responsible for the Doosan distribution. We are now distributing in 7 regions, handling therefore a third or 30% of the domestic market for soil removal compact machines.
We
think of ourselves as solution makers rather than machine makers. We believe in careful selection of our personnel and the ability to make it grow. We started as a tiny company and have reached around 100 employees in 50 years, with millions of euros in revenue. We can now sell Doosan and Bobcat over large territories in Italy and export Davino mixer in all of the 5 continents. We count on some 23 dealers all over the world, growing by the minute, and development programs that are very ambitious but absolutely feasible are in progress. The word that better describes is definitely innovation. Therefore, commitment, passion, vision, but most of all, future.